Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the VEVOR pre-installed steering racing wheel stand, a versatile and robust solution for racing enthusiasts. Whether you're a casual gamer or a serious racer, this stand promises to elevate your driving experience. Let's take a closer look at its features, build quality, and what real users have to say about it. The VEVOR steering racing wheel stand is designed with compatibility in mind. It comes with pre-installed holes for various steering wheels, pedals, and speed boards from major brands like Logitech, Thrustmaster, and Fanatec. This means you can easily upgrade or replace your accessories without worrying about compatibility issues. Made from carbon structural steel, this stand is built to last. Its tight welds and heavy-duty frame ensure that it remains stable during intense gaming sessions. You can customize your sitting position with adjustable steering wheel height, pedal angle from 0 degrees to 16 degrees, and seat angle from 70 degrees to 160 degrees. This flexibility allows you to find your perfect driving position. The integrated cockpit design features comfortable PVC leather fabric that enhances your gaming experience. The high-strength steel frame paired with soft materials ensures comfort even during long hours of play. This racing wheel stand is not just for show, it's designed for serious racers who want to practice at home. With this setup, you're no longer limited by time or location. Train like a professional racer and push your limits right from your living room. Let's take a look at what real users have to say about their experience with the VEVOR racing wheel stand. One user mentioned that while the assembly was a bit challenging, especially attaching the casters, they found the overall build quality to be sturdy and reliable. They appreciated that VEVOR provided M6 bolts for easy attachment of their Logitech steering wheel and pedals. Despite some initial difficulties during assembly, they concluded that once set up, the stand performs excellently. Another user struggled to find reviews online but was pleased when they discovered numerous positive comments on VEVOR's website. They praised the comfort of the seat as one of its best features and highlighted the adjustable nature of the cockpit, which can accommodate various body sizes. They noted that the dual-side locking mechanism for the seat slide was a significant improvement over their previous setup. In conclusion, if you're looking for a sturdy and adjustable racing wheel stand that provides an authentic driving experience, the VEVOR pre-installed steering racing wheel stand is worth considering. With its robust construction, excellent adjustability, and comfortable design, it's tailored for both casual gamers and serious racers alike. Thanks for watching our review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on gaming gear and accessories. Have you tried the VEVOR racing wheel stand? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy racing!